Alright guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The SMC UB42 ceiling fan in my parents' bedroom where my dad was sleeping. And as of today, I finally get the chance to film it in action. Low speed, as usual. You can hear it humming a bit. Medium speed. My grandma's here, so ignore the music. And high speed. It blows pretty well when it's fast speed. Yeah. It doesn't have at all. I pretty enjoy this SMC. Unlike the one in my room. Here's the reverse switch. Here are the two controls. If you see if it's in reverse, it's not. Here's some close footage of the blade. You have an idea, what is it? Yep, and that's it. Be sure to like, comment, favorite, subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.